This video will show you the easiest way to add an outdoor floodlight. You don't have to spend hundreds of dollars to hire an electrician to wire and install an outdoor floodlight in a new location, because there are really simple, inexpensive options like this solar-powered motion-sensored light that can be installed by anyone in just a few minutes. It's on sale for $19.99 on Amazon right now. I'll be installing this floodlight in that area over the garage door. The light unit will get clipped onto this bracket that is attached to the wall by just a couple of screws. I'm marking where I'll be drilling the holes for screws. I just gauged by sight which drill bit would best match the thickness of these screws that came with the light, and it looks like this one will work well. This is wonky. There is nothing behind the vinyl siding where this second hole is. You see, I can push the entire length of the drill bit in through this hole. There's no board for a screw to go into. So, I'm just going to drill another hole on the other side of the first hole. This floodlight is super lightweight, so the 2 screws will be more than adequate to hold up the light. You just clip the light into the bracket. I'm adjusting the direction of the motion sensor, the light panels, and the solar panel to how I think they will work best. Oh, I almost forgot, you have to push this black rubber button in the back to turn the light on. I don't have almond-colored caulk, so I just grabbed this taupe-colored adhesive to cover the extra hole. Now I'm going to see how well this light works. I want the floodlight to turn on if someone walks up the driveway and tries to sneak into the backyard. Well, that didn't work. Let's try again. Nope, it's not working. I'm adjusting the sensor position and hopefully this will fix the problem. It's working. In fact, the floodlight turns on even when I walk along the right edge of the driveway. In order to suit my needs, the sensor angle has to be at about 90 degrees or perpendicular to the wall. Now, this floodlight has a shortcoming that you should be aware of. The lithium battery in this unit is not removable, so the lifespan of this product will be limited by how long the battery lasts. Once the battery dies, you will have to replace the entire unit with a new one, since you can't just replace the battery. I'll report back on how long this light lasts and whether the price of the unit would make it worthwhile to keep buying these lights.